the Jeep is sold. With a heavy heart, I start this vlog to tell you it's been a thrill. It's been fantastic. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for all the support, subscribing, liking, commenting. For those of you guys that have bought Jeeps because of my channel, the guys that have modified your Jeeps because of my channel, got inspired by me or by my Jeep, thank you. $600 a month for this Jeep. It's been tough. As much as I want to keep this, it's not practical for this time right now. The size of the vehicle has just been getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The practicality of this Jeep has gone from very practical to less and less and less as the Jeep has grown. I want to leave you guys with a few words of advice and wisdom, if you want to take it that way. And that is to continue to be inspired. I'm going to have my channel up for a while so you guys can still go back and look at previous vlogs. Be inspired. Make your Jeep look awesome. Continue building. I want to thank the sponsors. Everyone from GTA Jeeps, NV Off-Roading, Pro Clip USA, GPCA, and AeroX Industries. You guys have made this Jeep look amazing because of the support and the products that you sponsored. Just continue following your dream, and I'll be around. I mean, there will be content. There definitely will be content, and I'm not ready to quit holding this camera, editing videos, and uploading quite yet. So what does the future hold? It's a mystery. Hopefully a new chapter in life, and it's been a great ride. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care, and remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket, but not literally. Make sure you always have some saving. It'll take you a long way. Take care, guys.